starting with a cinematic shot of a robot or a model. Alright, welcome back. Today we got an interesting label. It's called Mugler. I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe it's a French name or Italian. It could be anything, but Mugler? Mugler? Moir? I don't know. But either way, this is spring, summer 2025. The reason I'm gonna watch this show is because I don't know what the model is wearing, but it looks really interesting. Okay, we are starting with a cinematic shot of a robot or a model. That bag is really nice. I like the bowl. Oh, that's just a hat. Is it? Yeah. It's just a hat. Oh, I love those pearls. Yeah, okay. Ooh, the silhouette. Okay. Interesting. Now that is called fashion. Where she didn't wear the hat. Who. I have a feeling it's a Japanese artist because most of the time it's the Japanese artist that actually creates such a nice article. By Casey Cadwallader. I don't know who that is, but Jesus, this is beautiful. Now, because you have to understand the color, the colors are neutral, like black in this particular case, but the silhouettes are really unique. It looks like a Japanese bedroom. The start of the runway looks like a Japanese bedroom. Just because of all the comic books I've read, the movies that are shows that I've watched. But I really like the balls because I myself was thinking to make a custom pieces of actually adding pearls to my sneakers. But they do look fun. Jesus, that's a bold silhouette right there. I like it. This might be my favorite show, god damn it, by an unknown label, of course. This might be next Gucci or Dior. Not Gucci, because Gucci is kind of like all over the place at the moment. Okay, what is that? That's an interesting thing, but still, this I would consider art. This I would consider it fashion. Okay, yeah, come on now. Come on now. And I like the shape of the shoes and the, what do you call it? The bags. And the morals are like truly represented of that boldness and confidence. They're showcasing that confidence through these articles. I love it. God damn it. Jesus, this is... You can't tell me this is amongst the best shows out there. I gotta watch more of these type of shows of unknown labels. They actually do a lot more than the known labels at these days, huh? Okay, now. Yeah. Short, sweet, truly fashionable, with that essence of confidence, boldness, and representativeness of the person that's wearing it. That's what fashion is. That's what fashion is. Now this guy, and he seems like a young guy, probably like 28. That was amongst my favorite shows that I watched in 2024. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll catch you in the next one. That was amazing.